Hey guys, Rachel here with WTI.
And if you're looking for a glycine supplement, I'd highly recommend this one by now. I like it because it's super easy to take in capsule form. Glycine is an amino acid, and it's really important because your body needs it to make things such as glutathione, creatine, just to name a few. Each capsule is an inch long. They're not big. They're super easy to take. They don't upset my stomach or leave any kind of an aftertaste in my mouth. The container comes with 100 capsules, and each one is 1,000 milligrams. So I'll take 1 to 3 per day. And I don't take these every day. I'll just take them when I'm traveling. I specifically like to take it for a restful sleep. So I'll take it usually in the afternoon towards the evening. Like I mentioned, this is by the brand called Now, and I've been using this brand for a long time. I really like their supplements.
I'd highly recommend this Glycine by Now. I think it's super, and that's my point of view.